Hi, I'm John, and welcome to my channel.
Came over here to my brother's house to help him build a chicken coop. Cheaper to build it than to buy it. That's gonna be a big one. It's gonna be big enough he can walk up inside it. Pretty slick. And it's gonna be cheaper in cost than those right there. And he bought those ones. By the time he gets finished with that one, he won't even have nearly as much money wrapped up in it. But now here working in this heat. Whew. Enough of that for today. Alright, so we got the outside of the chicken coop finished. All he's got left now is the doors and the windows. He's got the door where the chickens come in and out, the man door right here, and then the two vent windows. Still got to put the roof on. So yeah, we haven't quite finished it yet because we still got to put the metal roof on it. He wants to put a metal roof on it, so yeah, get that finished. We'll slide this back in place, but we're done for the day. It's like 95 degrees with a heat index of 120 or some shit. It's freaking out here. I feel like we're in a shower with our clothes on. Yeah, so anyway, it's looking good. Not bad for a chicken coop built out of pallets. Yeah, we're getting there. A lot cheaper than buying one. One that size would probably be around $4,000. This one, he ain't even got 200 bucks wrapped into it. Got both of the windows on. My brother got one window on the other day, and then today I came over to help him get the other window on. So, window hinges up and locks on. And then we got the door. Check out that door. That's a fancy door right there for a chicken coop. Fancy chicken coop door. And a fancy handle. Yep, that's what we got done today. And we are definitely finished. It is way, way too humid and hot. Well, got the metal wiring, or wire mesh, over the chicken coop windows. And got the metal roof on. Hot as fuck out here today. Like 95 with 120 degree humidity. Put this over the front. The wind blows in from the southwest and northwest there, mostly from the strongest wind we get from the southwest. That's in the springtime when the tornadoes and stuff start to blow through. But we put this over the front here, so when the wind comes in, it doesn't get underneath the metal and try to lift the metal off. And not only that, keep the rain from blowing in there as well. But yeah, it is 100% ready to be put back up against the coop, or the cage. Got to put the cage walls back up, slide it back over against the cage, put the shade net back over, and all he's got left to do is put some couple of roosts in it and some nesting boxes, and it'll be good to go. I like to do the video.
His place, do his work,
Yeah.
so you take pictures.
Roosts
Whereas
and nesting boxes, and the chicken door, and the chicken coop is completely finished. Time to go home and take a cold shower.
Well, I hope you liked and enjoyed that video, and if you did, please hit the like, subscribe, and share and notification bell. It would help me out greatly. And remember, knowledge is a good thing. Truth in knowledge is an even better thing. And true knowledge, that's power.